Kajabi Affiliate Program Review. In today's video, we're reviewing the Kajabi Affiliate Program, an excellent opportunity for marketers looking to promote one of the leading platforms for creators to build and sell online courses, memberships, and digital products. You'll find links to Kajabi's products in the description below, so be sure to check them out if you're interested. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform made for coaches, entrepreneurs, and educators who want to create, market, and sell digital content. It combines powerful tools for website creation, course building, email marketing, and sales funnels into one seamless system, making it incredibly easy to run an online business. As an affiliate, Kajabi offers a 30% recurring commission for each customer you refer. The recurring structure is great for long-term passive income, as you'll continue earning as long as your referral keeps their Kajabi subscription. Kajabi's affiliate program is known for its high-ticket commissions, especially since the platform's plans can range from $149 to $399 per month. This makes it a very lucrative program for anyone with a relevant audience, particularly those in the online business, coaching, and education sectors. Kajabi provides affiliates with a range of marketing materials, including banners, email templates, and ready-to-use links, making it easy to get started. They also have an affiliate dashboard where you can track your performance, see conversions in real time, and monitor your monthly commissions. One notable feature of the Kajabi affiliate program is its 45-day cookie window, which means you'll still get credit for a sale if the person you referred signs up within 45 days. Kajabi is known for its top-tier customer service and a community of supportive entrepreneurs, which gives affiliates a powerful selling point. Overall, if you're in the online education or course creation niche, the Kajabi affiliate program offers a lucrative and sustainable way to earn commissions. Be sure to explore the links in the description and get started today.